On today's Unbox That Wheel, I got something super special for you. So let's go ahead and unbox that wheel. So from the 305 to the 416, we got these Vossen MX6s, and the client is gonna be super happy when he sees them. These are a 21 by 11, and we had them finished in a polished clear. Super lightweight wheel. To be honest, doesn't even weigh that much. As mentioned in the previous videos, it's crazy how the engineers at Vossen get these wheels not to only be TUV approved, but to be super light. So, why are they super light? Starting off, they got the super thin spokes, followed by the hole pocketing on the back, with the finishing touches of their 3-piece center cap, which is exclusive only to the Forged, also in this shape, because all the hybrid Forged stuff does not come with this. We got a few more Forged sets coming this way. Can't wait for them to land, so stay tuned for the many more videos to come. Ciao.